Sony has been among the more prolific smartphone manufacturers over the past few years. Throughout 2016, the Japanese manufacturer unveiled 7 new smartphones, and at MWC this year, it introduced 4 more handsets. The top device in the latter bunch was the Xperia XZ Premium. With the XZ Premium, Sony promises unparalleled experience thanks to its revolutionary camera tech, excellent 5.5-inch 4K display and Qualcomm's latest silicon, the Snapdragon 835. Let's see if it delivers. Display. A very solid screen, despite being a bit bluish. When it comes to the Sony Xperia XZ Premium's display, it's hard to find something not to like about it. It's a 5.5-inch 4K LCD panel, which makes it plenty crisp in all possible use cases. This includes games, video content, web browsing and whatnot. That being said, for videos and movies, the difference between a 4K display and a 1080p one would be barely noticeable, unless you really look for it. So, in case you're wondering what the benefits of the 4K panel are, they're most noticeable with VR content, where you will suffer far less quality loss. Bear in mind that Sony doesn't have its own VR platform for smartphones, but you may use the XZ with Google's Cardboard. We have only one complaint about the panel: its colors are somewhat unrealistic. However, it does feature 3 display presets that you can choose from to change the way colors are shown: Standard, Super Vivid, and Professional mode. The first is the default profile the phone comes with, the second obviously oversaturates all colors, and the third is meant to present you with the most realistic colors. That effect, however, is somewhat spoiled by the slight bluish hue of the screen. Thankfully, you can adjust the white balance as well, using the provided slider and enter the display option in the phone's settings, and completely get rid of any unwanted tints. Interface and functionality. New Android version, classic Sony skin. The Sony Xperia XZ Premium comes with Android 7.1.1 on board, complete with Sony's familiar skin with minor changes. If you have used an Xperia phone since the Z1 onward, you will have no problems picking up the XZ Premium and using it to its full potential by the end of the first day. The default theme takes a page from Samsung's book and provides a simple gradient wallpaper that reminds us of the last seconds of sunshine, before dusk falls in the summer. It's nothing fancy or animated. It's not distracting in any way, and it's quite pleasant to look at. Overall, the interface of the Xperia XZ Premium is quite pleasant and intuitive. Not to mention that thanks to its brand new Snapdragon 835, it's quite snappy too, and lag is nearly non-existent.